Hey Foxies, my name is Simon Fox. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and if you're returning, welcome back. Like always, this is never about subscribers nor about money, but about love and light. So with that being said, we're gonna be getting into this how I make my gel liners out of my CC Beauty paint. As much as I would love to really compare these to the Nervina eyeliners, they're not exactly to par yet. They still have a transferring issue, but you guys, nonetheless, this is a more affordable option. So if y'all are balling on a budget like me, make sure to pick you up some CC Beauty. I believe it was under 20 bucks, and find out how you create some bomb ass liners like this. So yeah, if y'all want to figure out how I did that, make sure to keep watching. So like always, starting off with your base, I'm going to start off with my Jeffree Star Concealer. That's just my preference. Y'all already know that I live by this. I literally use it every single time I do my eyeshadow. I feel like it makes the perfect base. Like I don't get no creasing, no movement at all. It's amazing. And then I'm going to be setting it with a white. Y'all can use any white y'all want. I used the one from the Blood Sugar palette, but like I said, y'all can use any white or translucent powder to set it. So here I'm just going to be using tape. I cut it long ways so that way I can use that on the corner of my eye and get the most precise line. You can use this technique when you're doing your eyeshadow to get a better precise line, but for this time I'm going to be doing it with the liners. I feel like this is the best way to get the bombest liner. I literally use it all the time. Like this technique is literally the best. It has been the best for me just because I wasn't the best at liner at first, but I eventually caught on, and you know, it saved me. And it's an easy way to get the most even liners too, so just keep that in mind. So here I'm just taking that white from the CC Beauty palette, and I'm just going to be using that. Oh, by the way, I'm using a toothpick. Y'all can use a more precise like eyeliner pencil. I don't have an eyeliner pencil, so I'm just using what I got. And this is just another example of basically y'all can use whatever y'all want. And if it works, it works. I wouldn't suggest it, but you know, it worked. So after going and doing that liner, that first part, I basically went ahead and used the pink from the James Charles palette just to basically quote unquote set that liner. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I did that, and obviously I was going for another design on my other eye. I was going for like a spiral eyeliner. It just didn't. It just, you know, we'll try again next time. No, it was not looking. No, we didn't use it. Anyways. So yeah, like I said, just using that eyeshadow and basically setting that area. And I basically did that area first just because I did not want anything to transfer. Once it's set, it doesn't transfer that much. I'm not going to sit here and say it doesn't transfer at all, but it takes a while for it to transfer. So I got to wear this for a few hours before it actually started to quote unquote transfer, but yeah, it wasn't too bad. So here I'm taking that toothpick. Like I said, y'all can use an eyeliner pencil, and I'm just using that to do the end of my eyeliner. I love using the tape technique because it does make my eyeliner come out so bomb, like just so on point. I love it, and it makes them come out even. So here I'm taking the blue shade, the light blue shade from the James Charles palette, and I'm just using that to, like I said before, quote unquote set that white. And I feel like this looked so gorgeous. Y'all don't mind the other eye, because the other eye, I'm just like, oh my god. Okay. And also y'all have to remember, like, if y'all don't have to find like liner pencils, this might kind of not look so defined. So I would suggest for y'all to get some really defined pointy liner pencils so that way y'all can get some really defined lines. I hope that this tutorial on how to make your own colored liners at home really helped. Y'all can basically use this method to make any color y'all want, any colored liner y'all want. So I really hope that y'all step out of y'all's comfort zone and have some fun with some colored liner. If y'all do and this method has helped y'all out, please let me know down in the comments. I would really love to receive some feedback, and until next time, I'll see y'all then. Alright Foxies, so this is the finished look on this, how I made my gel colored liners. I hope they all love it. I honestly loved making this video so much because I've been using this trick for a while now, because I don't have the money to go out of my way and buy each and every separate color for colored liners. So like I said, if you are balling on a budget like me and you just want a more affordable option, something that you can just use for artistic purposes, makeup purposes, sorry, I can't talk today, then pick yourself up a CC Beauty, and I hope that y'all try this. If y'all do, make sure to tag me and DM me. I would love to see it and repost it on my Instagram. And until next time, please make sure to leave me some love, some likes, some comments, and I'll see y'all Wednesday or Saturday. Alright, bye Foxies.